To allow user to abstract and reviewer documents in a quick fashion, in 17.1, we introduced the feature to allow abstraction and reviewing process to auto-advance to the next document that's in the abstractor or reviewer's task list. To do that, the abstractor needs to go to the customized grid for the abstraction task list that she's currently working on, and then define a sort order on the task list. For example, if I define a descending sorting on MRN, and then I save that as my default grid sort, and as you can see, now my task list is sorted by NRM. And now if I start from, for example, report dummy 2A, as soon as I finish abstracting this report, I should be automatically advanced to the next report that's defined in my abstraction task list, which should be the report dummy. So let's go ahead and try that out. So I'm abstracting, I'm happy with the change that I made, and I click submit. And right now I'm correctly taken directly to the next abstraction report I'm supposed to be working on, that is dummy. So if I continue to do that, I will be then taken to the next relative to dummy, which according to my sorted abstraction task list should be dummy 2. And I can continue that process until I reach the very end of my task list. And then after I'm done with the last document in my task list, I will then be taken back to the abstraction task list. The tasks for abstractor 1 is completed. The same feature is added for reviewer. Now if I impersonate the reviewer to whom the review tasks are assigned, I can similarly define a custom sort. And for example, now I wish to sort on report number descending and save that as my default grid. I can start from the first or any report defined in the list. If I start from 2A, and once I approve this one, I will be taken to dummy 2, which is the next on the list after 2A for me to review. With this auto-advancing feature introduced, a small side effect is that a reviewer may be approving reports very fast, and she could have accidentally approved a report that she didn't intend to approve. So to compensate for that, we introduced a browser back behavior override. Basically, we allow reviewer to be able to go back to the report that she just approved by clicking the browser back button. Which does that, the approved report will be presented with a reopen button. And if she clicks on that, she has a second chance to review the report once again. Now, if I actually make the change I want, then I can approve with the change that I made, and then I can finish my reviewing process.